How's it going, everybody? My name is Adam Solis. I wanted to go ahead and make this video to show you guys how you're able to take hard inquiries off of your credit report. Now, this doesn't mean that you're able to take off any late payments, any charge off or collections account. That's going to be for a different video. This is simply for someone who's maybe applied for a credit card or any type of loan applications that you may have not gotten approved on. I do want to preface this that if you see me looking to the side of the camera, I made a couple of notes of things that I wanted to touch base on that are super important that I wanted to share with you guys. So don't mind me if I'm looking off to the side of the camera. I'm going to do my best to keep these videos under 5 minutes or less to be able to share my knowledge and the years and the experience that I have gained over the past, I'm 28, over the past 10 plus years. With that being said, I have worked for a company who has fixed credit, which is one of the main reasons why I know what I know. I'm not going to charge you guys. This is, again, going to be free. In return, if you can do me a favor and just subscribe and hit the like button, it helps the channel out. Again, I'm going to do my best to keep these videos under 5 minutes. This one might go a little bit longer just because of the introduction, obviously. So with that being said, there's a couple of things that I want to touch base on. There are a couple of websites that you're able to get your credit reports from for you to check the bureaus. It's going to be Equifax, it's going to be Experian, and TransUnion.com. I will link them in the description below. These are the ones that I use. Obviously, there's different other sites. These have been the most accurate for me. You're able to check your credit score and your credit bureaus once a year, and I believe it updates the reports itself every 30 days, give or take. So either way, there is a paid subscription for these sites. I don't pay for any of that, although I have paid in the past. I don't pay for any of that. Again, I'll link them down in the description below for you guys to be able to sign up for free and get your guys' credit score and your credit reports. Now, why is it super important that you know what is on your credit reports from these different credit bureaus? Simply because you're able to get the accounts and the information needed to be able to get them removed. Now, it's very simple. I'm going to tell you straightforward. All you have to do is get on the phone and call these agencies or these credit bureaus, and tell them that you have these remarks that you have no idea where they came from and that you need them removed because it is inaccurate. Now, if you have applied for a credit card or a loan payment, let's say you walked into the dealership, something that I did recently. I went into the dealership and I knew these people because I used to sell cars. I applied for one specific lender and these guys just ran me through 10 different banks. Now, this happens so much. The reason why this is not good is because you have a certain number of, times that you're able to get your credit hard pulled before it starts to negatively affect you. I believe if it's 1 to 2 times, you're okay. If it's 3 to 4, then it starts looking bad. Anything from like 5 to 6 and up, it starts dropping your credit, especially when it's a hard pull. So when they pulled my credit and now I have 10 different lenders looking at my credit report, that tanked my credit score over like 100 points. Okay, they were only supposed to do one, they did it many, it tanked my credit. Obviously, when you run your credit report for a hard loan, and if you get approved, it's going to drop your credit. That's normal. It'll go right back up. But because I only wanted to get approved for one specific bank, they ran it through 10 other banks to see if they would beat the rate. It didn't. I knew what I knew. I went with the bank that I went with. Now, so what I ended up doing, all I had to do, like I said, was get on the phone. I called these credit agencies, these bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, and I just let them know, say, hey, look, I have no idea where these inquiries came from. I didn't approve them. Can you remove them off of my credit report because I have no idea where they came from, and I did not approve for them to run my credit report or my credit in general. So they'll ask you a bunch of questions. They'll ask you if you want to subscribe for some fraud subscription thing. Just tell them no, answer the questions, and then they should be able to remove it within, I think, 30 days, give or take. So with that being said, you can also hop on these sites and if you look under, they'll have a dispute. You can also dispute it that way. I found that just picking up the phone, giving them a phone call, talking to somebody over the phone is the easiest and fastest way, because then you're able to give them a list of all the lenders that did a hard pull on your credit all at once, and then they're able to take it off within 30 days, give or take. So these sites I will go ahead and link in the description below for you guys just to click, sign up, and I'll link the phone numbers for them as well if I'm able to. Again, this is just from my personal experience, from what I have learned over the last X amount of years. So with that being said, again, this is for somebody who has gotten hard pulls on their credit that you want taken off. This doesn't mean, again, any late payments, any charge off or collections accounts. I'm actually going to make a different video for a different time, kind of showing you guys on how to take those negative remarks off of your guys' credit if you have a charge off, collections, or any late payments. I'm going to make a video a little bit later on for you guys to hopefully be able to use that information for your guys' benefit. With that being said, that's the end of this video. I'm going to try to keep them 5 minutes or under. I don't know if I already said that, but I'm going to do my best to keep these videos under 5 minutes or under and provide as much information and value as possible and being thorough as much possible as well. I'm also going to be creating videos on how to fix your credit, on how to budget, on how to invest your money. Credit cards offer money back, business credit cards as well. I have had experience over the last 10 plus years on this. It's something that I've always kind of had a passion for, and I just wanted to express my knowledge and share with you guys everything that I know without charging you guys. So do me a huge favor, just subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend, family member that you think might be able to benefit from this type of information as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace.